It just come to a 2014 Cougar KUGA Ford. All keys lost, so we're going to program in some smart proximity remotes, and then we'll cut the key for the door and we'll test it. Okay, so just remove the cover and you'll find the emergency key blade underneath here. I'm actually just going to put it back in because I finished with this, and that's it. Okay, so we'll just try the other emergency key blade. Lock this. Locked. A second. Unlocked. There we have it. Okay, so one final test. Let's lock it. Car is locked. Unlocked. Put the remote up here. Lock. Unlock. Remote in the car. And the foot on the brake, of course. Beautiful. Take that off. Let's put this over here. This one in here. Put that there. There we have it, all keys lost. 2014 Cougar KUGA Ford. All done. Emergency key blade, so that's the remote. Thanks for watching.